the type of
walk.
The motherfucker don't walk.
We eat you.
Hey, you know the bed me and
eat you.
Yo, crack it up, get them lock.
Wait, so we're coming for food. We're coming for food, people. Oh, yes, we'll go on YouTube. Welcome to another.
Welcome back to another Duttyberry countdown.
No, it's not a countdown. This is a do road with Dutty. I'm there with Dalton. Harris is the X Factor UK 2018 winner. Everything is right there, so. Man with the voice and vocal range and vocal acrobats and all of these are things. And we're in Jamaica. Yeah, we're there in Jamaica, you know, we're touring and all kind of things, man. And this is a road Dutty where I get to just spend a day with a celebrity public figure and find out what them life is like. So why? So it's like 7 o'clock. Or 7 something or something. So what is the whole entire plan for the day?
One, I wake up from 6 o'clock.
Why?
Because it's early and then you're late. And then I go get food.
Get food?
Drink some water.
Yeah, but explain why we're dressed like this.
We go to the gym.
No, what is gym like when they say you got gym? Because I'm not really the gym person. I know say you kind of work out and all kind of things, you know. So I got like, you know, pepper and back like back in the day.
Here we go. We go to the gym. Look a bit.
Oh, when you go to the gym, you normally focus on like cardio, a lot of what? Food? Yeah. We'll mention Jamaica about food.
Food and sex.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Wow, I thought you used to work at Disney and Nickelodeon.
I'm gonna go to the gym. The gym for me is therapeutic. So.
Oh, okay, big word.
So when we go to the gym, I kind of feel productive because I work hard. So if I don't go to the gym, then I feel like I don't do nothing to develop myself.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like just like meditation, which we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Just reason a little bit sometimes. You have to like all the reasons.
Yeah. Was it like a deliberate decision? Oh gosh, you come there and put on a seatbelt. Come and get me.
Dutty up Jamaica.
Oh
no,
so,
that's not a seatbelt.
No, yeah, that's one different something. Yeah.
But if you fly through the windscreen, you have a Dutty up Jamaica.
Yes. Was that a deliberate decision for you for like decide to say, alright, I'm gonna start, you know, work out and you know focus on like building like body and them something there? Or is it what is it?
No, I'm not focus on building body. I think I had like a health scare.
Oh, okay.
And then like I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna take care of myself.
Yeah.
Like a cancer issue one time.
Yeah.
And when that did happen, like good, I don't have cancer, but there was a
moment there was a scare. I can't imagine, and so you just change your whole habit and stuff like them time there.
And then sometimes with MAGA people, you think because you're building a big, you're healthy, you know.
Yeah, people always used to like once you're skinny, that means say you're fit and all kind of things.
That's not necessarily.
Yeah, you have bigger body people who are 200 pounds are way far healthier than you.
Yeah, man. So when I eat certain things, certain things in my body.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Certain meats I still eat.
Oh, okay. Hey!
Chicken.
I don't know a while ago, like, me just hear like I shot in a call. I don't know if she did a call a while ago, like, get away.
You mix up now, right? Me say what I say.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, me just, you know, me like it.
Yeah.
You know, and then, me like it.
Yeah.
But me not really focus on nothing still.
Okay. Well, let me see how I'm able to hang at the gym because I'm telling you,
Well, I don't know where we can't go over one road.
No.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, what we're doing today, we're finally at the gym. What we're doing today is Sir Dalton. What you doing? What?
Floor exercise.
Floor exercise that you will be doing by yourself.
No, I'm not doing it.
What is this? How much of these we should be doing? Can you stop so I can join? Okay. Alright. gonna treat the haters. Yes, yes. All of them will leave bad comments. Yeah, iniquity, bad mind. Yeah, yes. Strong crow. Yeah, all of them. Yeah, man. What cost you for your fans? Go ahead, get them. Yeah, what making money and never help invest in your life yet. Yeah, man. Yes, man. I will never want you win X Factor, whatever I get. Oh, it's so crazy. Sing now.
You and me will always be tight. Family every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. You know that I can always be myself. I love you more than anybody else. And even when you start acting like a fool, you know there's no one to love as much as you. A family, a family.
Price gone right here, so.
Your price not gone, it just never did it.
Wow! 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 Jesus Christ, we just done. Oh, touch by an angel. I can't manage this.
What a song that is.
When you walk down the road, every burden and I will rise.
That used to creep me out.
And I will walk with you. I'll walk with you.
Oh,
till the sun
watch out, I'm gonna kill you now.
to shine.
When I see your happy faces smiling back at me, seven heaven, what up? Ooh, seven heaven.
Hold on.
I'ma kill you.
You can gaze into the future.
You might have known you need a man.
Life
You just stand from a distance, yeah. But it's not that easy.
Oh no, I try to save a situation, then I end up misbehaving. Yo, hey now, what you say now? We're gonna ride with the rain now. You know the future looks great now, and everything's gonna be okay now. Yo,
that's alright.
it's the future, I can say. Drop what?
Bump on up, little bell.
Oh yeah, all
Let
right.
it be.
Like between the lions, come home, come in, begin. The world awaits between the lions, between the covers of the sister.
You don't know
Sister.
how much I missed you.
Yeah.
Oh. It's the podcast. Hey, mama.
We do it. Impossible.
How we
Beat me if you wanna reach me. When I'm gonna beg me, it's okay. Whenever you're me, baby, call me, beat me if you wanna. Call me, beat me if you wanna reach me. Doesn't matter where.
so long, farewell
To you, my friends. Goodbye for now until we meet again. It's been great to play and sing together in the box, and now
out of the box.
it's in the box.
Out of the box.
No, it's been great in the box.
No, it's
no,
been
it's
great to play and sing together out
In
of
the
the
box.
box.
No.
Out.
No.
Remember inside
People
them play
don't know how
and
to
sing.
Google it now.
And inside them play Dalton.
No.
Think is inside them
You
play and
think me
sing.
beard. People go and Google this right now. Pause the video and go where they go do. If the woman no
You
say,
want bet?
the woman say
Bet.
out of the box.
In the box.
Dalton, bet you call up for one song.
Yeah, me you want to kill my crazy person. You must be mad. When I met no more artists come this me because I got mama your business. Yeah. Out of the box, she said. And
No.
now it's time to say goodbye.
Hey! Yo, but come here, look for six, you're gonna have it to know. But come here and say, yo, you're not flop me, yo, you're not flop.
Choreographer,
Yo. Well,
Yeah,
I can't
what you
sing,
mean?
but at least me remember the move there.
Who the hell remembers?
Oh, you remember it?
Eh?
Become use the focus on it.
You fool. You know that?
Yeah, I know.
Exile. Kill them with
Exile is a head's eye.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh, that's it.
So the whole time you've been singing Exile.
Hold on, wait. Comment below if you sing Exile.
The song says head's eye.
With the head's eye, kill them with the no.
Which person sing the song say Exile?
It's Vegas a head's eye.
Kill
Heads
them
eye.
with it
Kill them
now.
now because they talk about oral sex and something like that. Man say like, yo girls, make sure I tell you them say you know do them things there. So head's eye.
You used to go to church?
Yeah, I used to sing. I was lead singer on the choir.
choir.
No, I used to lead sing for the choir. Me used to lead sing for the choir. Me used to go Franklin-Town New Testament church. No, I'm not even joking. I used to go.
I wish you just said, you should have just said you used to sing. My boy said.
I used to be the lead
And you
singer. No,
used
but
to
that's true.
lead sing. Oh,
when
God.
them used to have like when they have like there is hope.
Oh, boy.
And the credit there is hope in the Lord. Me used to be the person. When you're feeling heavy.
When your burden's heavy.
Wait, but remember the song.
Because you have strayed.
No,
And it
because you're
seems
straight.
failed.
No, straight.
Failed.
Okay. When your burden's heavy, because you have failed, and it seems there's no mercy, for it's been delayed. You better come to the sun, you gotta rise, you gotta be bold, and then you turn to the Father, and I'll come back into His heart. There is hope.
Hit me, Lord.
There is hope in the Lord.
Hit me, Lord.
There is hope in King Jesus.
There is hope in God.
There is
Oh,
hope. There is hope in the Lord.
Wait.
There is hope
Wait up.
in King Jesus. Hope in God. Everybody.
There is hope.
Yeah.
There is hope.
Yeah.
There is hope. There is hope. And they have the church man class. M.
Yeah. But your mom used to sing the song, the man, yeah.
Bust down, Tatiana.
No, we can't live from that to that.
Hey,
No,
I
and then they
don't
have
feel
God
that.
is able. There are times.
Hey, what
when
that
you
mic
feel
technique that?
Like, yeah, this is how some used to sing them time there.
Yo, the man got there.
But I say you used to sing, me used to sing. Yo, you fight against me now because of puberty change up my voice, you know. Back up on him, boy!
Sit man, buddy.
The whole song.
And that bunny.
Yeah, when they don't want Bone to kill a song.
You know it's warlord and it's forward and come searches. Hey yo, yellow!
Fat pum pum gal, yes me rather them. Coulda fat, coulda slim, yes me sadder them. Give me the gal, I'm not the be man, the Prada them. And I not if them breed me we father them. Condom run out me re-order them. Gal I risk them life over the Gaza them. Them I try roll on pan the border them. Me them want for them soldering. Yo, sexually speaking, warlord na falter. Backbone strong like the rock of Gibraltar. Worse when me mix Baba roots with all the Malta. Put on the assaulter. Girl want for married me, take me to the altar. Scoring at them goal like a Walter. You don't know the song there? Okay, alright, that's one.
If you make nobody bust on my head.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite songs, you know? Yeah.
What? Kill you madman. Beenie man a bad man. Kill you.
And they say that. Pan bed, pan floor against wall.
Oh, yeah.
We tell them boy, I'm the girl, them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dancer. Come here, pretty girl, the body shape so good. Make me introduce you to a piece of hood. Baby, get on here, girl.
That
I
Crystal
think
is
you
saying.
could, but oh my God.
That's exactly what Crystal said.
Girl, forget. Me no wanna get with no pretty face. Me want the shape in the waist.
With the bubble in the trees and the blood in the place and the blood in the place.
This fear
is a sitting place. What after now, Dalton?
you know we late for.
Why are we late?
Because of you, man.
because one little Lele had some stuff to get done. But they have to take up some things. And that
How
anyway.
long me wake up?
How when you wake up?
6 o'clock.
Alright, at the end of the day, what matters is that we are alive. And who for tell say is my lateness kind of bring the universe in peace right now. Go-to meal is like mackerel and rice. Big yourself, mackerel official. Anyway, then. Yeah, mackerel official?
No comment. No, I don't know mackerel, but I rate her.
Okay.
In terms of, you know, I know Jamaican people, know, them love judge. Like,
yeah.
On a bed, want to sweep out and down and judge the girl. Leave her alone. She, you don't know nothing about her sex life. Yeah, she has so she has say, and even if she was her body, the same way you can judge somebody's body, the same way them can do what them want with feed them body.
But
you know, stop slut shame woman Jamaican and talk about
Black China, Amber Rose.
Yeah, and again, I'm not promoting a certain way of life. I mean, I want young kids come over knees think it's cool.
Yeah,
but at the end of the day, she not out to harm nobody. She just have her little song and do her thing. And
yeah.
You know, what a big deal. Let her know. If you don't like her, let her know.
I want to meet her. I actually have her number and I want to go to her. Like, would you be down for that? If she did available, like, go see her.
You know, say them, what if she not like me? And you call her and then she go say some slick shit.
I honestly don't think. I think mackerel cool. Who knows?
But yeah, I mean, big up her. She have her money. You know, anybody will have an honest living.
Yeah.
Kudos to you.
Well, that's enough of mackerel now. I think about the food does. Me and mackerel. Oh yes. Come in, man. Where you?
Almighty fire there, I'm here, Duttyberry there, Almighty fire. And we say good up, body good and
I say you're going to do one song with Spice?
Me and Spice are going to do one song. And we are going to do the whole universe with a song. Me and her and Chensia.
Alright, my earpiece side now.
Good up, Mr. Spice, hotter than them.
Yeah.
Fat and fluffy, she look better than them. Body shape good, still better than them. Me have a good eat, knock on them. Good up, cause we know we can't spend.
Yes.
Good up, we no borrow, we no lend. Money we say, we not beg no friend. Right about now, and that we tell them, say, good as girl love, only per money. Now go make the boy sample, me put it.
Yo, pull up. Can I get a wow?
Baby mother, half a tree, one already. Baby mother, y'all go down.
What?
Baby, one already. Mommy.
Not done. You know me funny if you actually picked up somebody and dropped them off on half a tree. Oh, it's the mommy day.
Mommy, y'all go down.
But go down.
Go down, eh?
Wifey, go down.
Wifey, go down. The wifey not go down.
Wait, they get food now? Seriously, did you get food for me?
We shall figure.
Wow.
Yeah, Jamaica, you see somebody come. Let me tell you something. Number one to be in Jamaica.
Yes.
If you're with somebody and you see them buy food, the first thing you do is count the box them. If I two on and
no, because I never look, I never know how much people you agree for like to get food, but no, that wicked. You know, I bounce out the food out of your hand, like me talk it like plain and simple. Like not a dumpling that will reach your mouth, me a box out.
You can't diss me, I'm wrong place.
You see, they didn't even know if you find it. What the woman name? What the lady where you going to?
I know I'm going the next one.
You didn't even know. You see, remember Jamaica, you don't remember England nowadays. Which part would they know? Where is this?
Do not be the internet here, we kick you out.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
What? But Dalton, you didn't even tell me. You didn't even introduce me to your friend.
This is Miss Tada McLean. She's
Miss Tada McLean?
Daniel.
Tada?
She's
like
Tada? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's what everybody call her, but Daniel.
She's a get things done. So she's like a boss lady.
So you don't know her?
I auditioned for her and stuff. She was one of the producers. And yeah, them did strict. And then them strict.
Oh, Kabiraga says still.
Yeah, and then you know people who always keep it on the clear and path.
Yeah. Okay, so that's why you make sure say you get cheap food and you come get nothing for
Right.
Which
after
is right.
you up on the road the whole time and you say, okay.
This is correct, yeah.
that's how I feel like a bad man when the food kind of shake out of the
It's you.
I feel like I'm a bad man energy.
You don't need to know. Listen, you're supposed to feed me, right? You're supposed to make sure I'm okay because I live my life making sure I'm okay.
Oh gosh.
8 years? 9 years.
Oh, saying book up Dalton and Dalton did like suck up back juice and boy.
I'm always so with him did ugly, but he's never ugly. But before braces are height and before hair so curly and so and
the vibes they fully mature and them.
No, the vibes not fully mature now. And no, me tell him not put so much braces in it. No, the vibes never fully mature. None of
When power done and the lights are out, the impact is what it's really about. I mean, I sing for no power, not no power, no power.
Right?
Yeah.
You know how to sing.
Oh, so we're the chorus, I'm going on the verse then.
That's right, enough for
Okay, yeah.
Alright, start to the verse, let me hear something now.
Yeah, chorus thing better.
The last part, that chorus.
Yeah. You want that?
It would have lap over upon the verse. If it got straight or something, so maybe.
We'll work on the bar. How much bar do you live in? You don't come bar.
Yeah, you want to sing the chorus 2 times? One time, sing it.
Come again, one more time.
1, 2. Sing for no fun, not no fun. Then I sing for no fun, not no fun. When the lights are on, it moves on and on. Then I sing for no fun. But do the music one more. When the power done and the lights are out, the impact is what it is really about. Now sing for no fun, not no power. Then I sing.
Just say come on.
Over.
Yeah, for the verse now.
Thinking for singing
2 times man, they're too short and they're 2 times.
I wonder if a verse progression I feel British.
Now watch here. Look at this. Look at this. Finger you use on the food?
Because no fuck me do.
One fart did there, but I feel like you purposefully
Somebody
wanted to be gravelicious. Don't show the people them. No, don't show the people them exactly you eat the finger them. No man, do it. Don't get stush to the camera now.
No.
Don't be stush to the camera now. Show the people them. Like, show the people them how you damn watch it. Yeah. Alright, see that? Watch it.
Hey! Yo! I don't want a fish now.
Good.
Yeah.
Power done and the lights are out. The impact is what it is really about. I mean, I sing for no fun, not no fun.
So, anyway, so earlier, but did I talk to Dalton and Dalton tell me say him, he was a fan of one of my friend when he am keeping up with Janelle, so I shout her, I may try to get her for for come here and surprise him. So hopefully the girl actually reach because she come all the way from Spanish Town. Spanish Town is basically like one other half of Jamaica and Janelle she ever late more while, so I just hope so that little surprise thing I can go on. Even inside of the studio now I record, so yeah.
You know it for no forward, no forward. But I'm sound good a while ago, you know. But I get Dalton a run free money.
Jeremy, finally there with Dalton inside with our studio. That free kick. Oh yeah, see if we can get for the surprise here.
I hope you never see a while ago in this sneaky.
Slowly, we have 24. And up next is number 10. Now, I do hope you get the right so far.
It was very nice to meet you. Good luck with everything.
Whoa! Why you do that? How you do that?
Yo. You know how long? Oh yeah. Yo. You know how long we're there. Just like.
do that.
Go.
Yeah?
Oh,
Oh, Lord.
Finally. You know how long we there. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. You know how long we there.
You know, you're not back. Yeah, you are today. She know that. Okay, you just wait till
Oh, my gosh.
Family, watch her. Huh?
Well, finally, I hope we're in there. Hopefully.
Finally. Then now we need to start script with skit, you know?
Yeah, okay, alright.
Definitely, definitely.
Oh.
So finally finished with the studio. How did you enjoy the surprise?
Yeah, that was cool.
Yep. Yeah. Pulled off a surprise, I feel proud.
Me that job good on, to be honest, I never want to come back to Spanish now.
You know the shrips.
Yeah.
So you kind of different.
The first time I go Spanish town, I see like bullet down the thing and I bend down in the camera and I say, me.
I'm gonna see you as a town girl, you know.
Yeah, you look very uptown.
Watch you know, Lord of mercy, no sugar hype, no, for the rest of the year. You can't chat to her, you know. Lord of his mercy.
She looks like one of them uptown girl who used to work with DJ, but your mother downtown, but your father.
Oh, like downtown girl, uptown life and something like, yeah, for true, for real.
You don't agree to that, Barry?
For
yeah, man.
You never want me to put that.
Oh, yeah, they're the good things, them. Yeah. But anyway, people, let me just tell you this. This girl right here is known for her laugh. Her laugh, don't normal. But you know who actually comes close? Dalton. Start laugh. I'm going to say they got you game. Start laugh. Watch that. No, laugh. Watch that. Laugh. No, laugh, man. Just keep it. I got you game. Yeah, man. Release it, man. Release it, man, Dalton. Yeah, man. Dalton. Come on, man.
You make the jam break and make you lick up there.
You laughed early, no?
Oh, you know, if you go, they're gonna move it through.
Forgot movie, watch a movie and just got laugh there. If you just got one sad movie and just like that laugh.
A sad I'm not laughing.
No, but literally that choke a while ago, like piece of the peanut or something like that in my teeth. It go right through my throat. So me I wonder like what the shit come with that choke and I laugh after me.
Alright, so go on.
Oh, truth or dare. Have you ever done it in a car?
Enough times.
Wow.
If car did come like matches, it that go.
What?
Hey.
That's no joke.
No, but for real. Hey.
You've done the car?
I am in.
Okay, anybody has done it at the beach? Beach,
God.
sea,
The beach.
pool.
Yes, okay, we can tell that story.
Okay,
Yes,
go
guys.
ahead.
When I was 14, there was this lady, I don't know if she did mad. Watch the internet, I'm gonna kill me.
Okay, go. So you had sex with a mad man?
No!
Okay, alright, go.
Huh?
That girl one.
Me like her, you know. You know, so me don't face with you, but I true me like you.
Yeah, we see with me.
Huh? Me like you.
Bombard! Wow!
The voice.
No! But think of Jenny alone. I'm by myself, voice.
We're going to go to a joke.
What?
Break a one gas station,
Nah,
right?
Jesus.
And me I tell you, say me
You were, you know,
I couldn't see her. You know, so I can't see her. I can't see her as a gas station worker.
Yeah.
Like, no, that me see it. Like, no offense. But I can't see that little suck on pants and. No! I can't see it.
Use this.
Yeah. No, so where I get. No.
Yeah.
But some can picture in a little
Because
suck on
I
type.
but you me do
No, where I do that?
We're not good.
I withdraw my support.
Bounty did tell him.
When me look!
Like after the whole lap of that, Bounty tell him say,
when me look!
Him withdraw him support. Then they put up the picture when we waiting for him, it's like, yo, my crowd of Dalton. And then the week after the whole
But
lap of that
him put it up like him not know me, him know me.
Oh, wow.
So no act like you just hear about me. You see me, me used to do show with him and you know to go on like me can't come right for no.
Wow.
But,
Oh, Jenny, the face.
anyways. Yo,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you a prayer warrior?
Them a follow with them there.
Ah!
And then I open so yo, them a follow. We shh.
No, I'm afraid no.
Them a
Like
follow
yo, Jen, you better start praying. Remember the time we did the Halloween video? You better start praying. Are you going to be?
Yes, them
like Jamaica, this, you know. And the road, they look like one of them road, they went to crime stuff. When the man used to go with them, I'm afraid of them shit, you know.
Oh, don't say that. Don't.
Yeah, but how not afraid of me, no? I wasn't even saying
No, I'm afraid, no. Jesus Christ. We must can't tell her.
Watch out, watch out.
No.
No, what up, I smell? Oh.
What happened? Oh.
You can't do this, idiot.
Oh, jeez.
And then people are stuck up because of the
Okay, so we gonna take some pics and we gonna go. Let's go.
Oh, hold on, what are we doing?
Taking some pictures and then we're going to close up the show.
Oh, are we closing up? Let's close the show now.
Alright. I see all these things and I can't get to jump into the dance.
Yeah. With the uptown. We can't really make no one bag of nice.
Uptown. See him so we do it up what more.
The sweet owl.
Getting it are the nicest. My rose with chain are the realest.
My jeans wax timeless.
So we do it up what more.
No, uptown funk.
Funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Let's get it. Uptown funk you up.
Praise dance. Well, I think that comes to the end of this Wid Dutty. Okay. Separate here, so yeah.
Peace and love.
Thank you.
Subscribe. Thank you.
The day has been great. It's nice to see how a day is like when you're there at Jamaica. I know they're going back to the UK. What are you doing? You go back to UK, you got
guys,
album and drop and beer things and all kind of
I
excitement.
think we are too energetic. It's 11:30
Yes.
at night.
Yes.
You enjoyed it? You enjoyed it?
Hold on, you see how we just do this. I just need to lean long in my back.
Yeah,
He's
true.
lying. Okay, listen.
You enjoyed the day meeting Dalton and everything?
Oh my God.
Yes.
It's been fun.
This one.
We enjoy ourselves.
Yes. We chat
And we're
now.
tired. Yes.
We chat now.
We laugh enough.
I'm waiting for the good things then when we put it for sure.
Yes.
Yeah, we can.
This
yeah.
video is 20, not even 20, 10% of what actually happened.
Yeah.
For the day.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
some things you keep off social media.
Yes.
So,
Come on, you say nice.
yes. Right.
Yeah, like a better, yeah.
Nobody can see me.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. So, some things you keep off. Yeah.
Yeah.
But get you some friends where I'm going like
No, they're not gonna do me this. No, no. Left me like they do me the rest of the time then when they're too awful. Bye people.
make them say bye. We don't go left him.
Alright, so bye.
Bye guys.
And tell them to don't stop. Thank you for watching this The Road With Dutty.
Yes, thanks for watching this The Road With Dutty.
Feature Dalton,
Yes,
Harris,
and
big bad singer, vocalist and all these things, and Janelle, thanks for rolling in.
Hello.
Yeah. You may even know say don't come. The next person I go do this, make sure.
Wow!
Yes, sir.
Uptown. Seems we tweet about more.
Y'all are a mess. Y'all are a mess.
No blood money, no. Every man say them a big killer, yeah. And that the crew that bust them knock them for, yeah. But if them kill your sister or brother, yeah. When you walk over your gunfire. They don't sing for no forward, no forward. They don't sing for no forward, no forward. They don't sing for no forward, no forward. They don't sing for no forward.
This is where it goes. Yo, don't know says Dalton Harris. Yeah.
Oh no, we not sing for no forward. No forward. We not sing for no forward. No forward.
Sing it. We not sing for no forward. No forward.
We not sing for no
just spoil up the harmony. Yeah, get ready. Ready.
We not sing for no forward. No forward.
We don't sing for no forward. No forward. Alright, so it goes. No forward. Let's do a freestyle, DJ. Let's DJ a verse now. Yeah.
No forward.
Ready, freestyle something. Yeah. Oh. No forward. Ready, come on.
We not sing for no forward.
No forward.
No forward.
Yeah.
No forward.
We don't sing for no forward.
No forward.
Album dropping soon. Make sure so you see it. SoundCloud.
Yeah.
SoundCloud. Where else? Apple Music.
Yeah.
Tidal.
Everywhere.
Spotify. Everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. YouTube. Don't download it for free.